power tools can make woodworking projects quicker, easier and more efficient. In this video, we'll be covering some basic power tool operation and maintenance techniques that beginners can use to get started. Before using any power tool, it's important to check that it's plugged in and that the outlet is working properly. Make sure that the switch is in the off position before plugging it in. Many power tools have different settings and adjustments that you can make. It's important to read the manual and understand how to adjust the settings before using the tool. This will help to ensure that the tool is operating correctly and that the workpiece is being cut or drilled accurately. Keeping your power tools clean and well maintained is essential for their longevity and performance. Regularly cleaning your tools, including removing sawdust and debris, can help to prevent damage and prolong their lifespan. It's also important to check the blades and bits on your tools regularly. Make sure that they're sharp, and replace them if they're worn out or damaged. This will help to ensure that your tools are cutting and drilling properly. With these basic power tool operation and maintenance techniques, you can create a wide variety of projects. From small items like birdhouses and picture frames, to larger items like bookshelves and tables. Remember to take your time and practice to master each technique, and you'll be able to create beautiful and durable woodwork. So take care of your power tools, read the manual and start building. Check the description below to learn to create masterpieces in woodworking. Happy woodworking!